Holy shit, are you kidding me? Look at this thing. Oh my god, I would have needed those 50,000 shares. Oh, come on. Okay, now I'm up 300k on it. It was a quick, nice little trade. What can I say? I just wish I had gotten filled on those 50,000 shares. So GNUS went from being up 46% on the day to being down 40% on the day. So it's down almost 60% from the highs. Guys, I've been talking about these airlines the whole morning. You know, I think there's gonna be an insane setup on these things tomorrow. Maybe later today, but I hope we get it tomorrow. Right now, it's just straight up. Just be careful not getting in front of those things. You want the stocks to be as extended as possible before they short them. Let everyone get squeezed out. That's the reason also I shorted I didn't want to short GNUS yesterday. You know, I said yesterday several times this thing it's a better short at 10-12 tomorrow. Because someone asked me about GNUS yesterday in the 550s near the open. And I said it's gonna be ignore for me unless and tomorrow if it gets to 10-12, that's when I want to short it, and that's exactly what we got. You want to get those few setups that go crazy. That the setups where you almost can't lose money. That's the key to shorting momentum stocks. You want to yeah, exactly. You want them to squeeze out as much as possible so you don't get chopped up on them. Like GNUS, you know, if I had tried to short it yesterday, I mean, there were some good setups like this 5-minute candle here when it went straight up and printed the first 5-minute candle and break of that. I mean, I would have probably taken a few losses on it. So that's why you want to get them, you want them to squeeze out to a point where they almost can't go higher. And then you start looking for a weakness to short them. That's where you have the best odds. That's why I really want to get these airlines tomorrow. So, you know, if you're looking at this DAL, I mean, if you really want to short it, just wait for at least mid or late day until it has a range, and preferably it's below a VWAP. Otherwise, just, you know, take it off your screen. I think a better short is tomorrow. Okay, so one short entry for later after I start streaming on these airlines is if it breaks the lows of the current 60-minute candle. That's one area I would take a starter in a couple of names, like Save definitely, maybe also like something like UAL or DAL or something, or LUV. That could be the first potential entry point or re-entry point on some of these airlines. But I'm not sure. I really hope they go higher and don't give an entry today, because, you know, tomorrow we're gonna have a 5+ star setup